All right, time to put that sweet ending on the show, and for that we have called one of our favorite cake artists to do that. Her name is Ashley Lewis. She's of Ashley L Designs, and she has brought chocolate to the house this morning. Hello, Ashley.
Hi.
Ashley, when you bring chocolate, you have the whole place jumping up and down kind of thing. You know? This looks good. What is this?
Thank you. So this is a chocolate chip walnut cake.
A chocolate chip
walnut cake.
Walnut cake. Wow, you're using the entire range of Regal products here.
I did.
And you're going to show us how to make this chocolate cake. Simple? I can do it?
It is. It's what we call a one bowl cake.
Right.
So
I've
literally
heard of those.
you dump everything in one bowl. And that's it. Just
One
mix it
batter
up.
kind of thing comes together. I've heard of those. I've
So
never tried, but let's see.
Really?
Let's see, yeah.
It's not hard. So we start off with flour, cocoa powder, sugar. We're putting all our dry ingredients into one.
Right.
Salt and baking powder and baking soda.
Baking powder, baking soda, baking powder, Regal baking powder.
Yep. And then we whisk it all together till it becomes one even sort of color.
Right,
Because you want to make sure everything is incorporated properly.
right,
And then you take a wooden spoon and make a well in the middle.
right.
So you basically push all of the dry ingredients to the side. And then we're gonna add our wet ingredients now. So we're starting with milk,
That's regular milk.
just regular milk.
Regular milk.
I like to use full cream because it has a nice flavor.
Yeah.
Vegetable oil. You can use any kind of vegetable oil. You can even use olive oil, coconut oil if you want extra flavor. An egg. And some nice rich vanilla.
To the essence.
Yes, and then we mix it all together and get all in there and combine everything well. After this, we're actually gonna add some water to it, even though it does look like a really nice, soft cake
Soft,
batter.
rich batter,
What we're
yeah.
actually looking for is more of like hot chocolate.
Oh.
A really runny
Thick.
chocolate batter.
Right, right.
Actually kind of thin, not thicker,
Oh,
really.
right,
So
right,
when
right.
it bakes, it retains a lot of moisture.
Right, got you.
So we're gonna get this nice sort of sloppy looking batter now,
Right,
and then
right.
we're gonna add water.
So this is more water.
Yes, this is boiled water. What I do is I boil it first before I start anything else, and then I let it cool a little bit because if it's too hot, it'll cook your eggs right in here, and that's not what you want. And then you stir it until it's all nicely incorporated, and you get this lovely brown color.
Right.
I've actually used Trinidadian cocoa.
Serious.
This is not Hershey's. This is Trinitario cocoa. And now we're gonna add our chocolate chips.
Right.
So I made a mix of semi-sweet and milk chocolate chips. Honestly, I feel like you can just add as many as you feel.
Right, yeah.
And now we're gonna add our Regal walnuts.
The Regal walnuts.
Let's make this really walnutty. And then we stir it gently. Don't overdo the stirring. Just give it a nice gentle stir. Okay, so now we have everything incorporated. Also, sometimes when you add heavy ingredients to a batter, you can give it a toss in flour to make sure it doesn't sink.
Right, right.
So we could have done that as well, but I'm confident. And then we pour it out into our prepared pan. I think this is gonna come out really nice.
And you're looking for that type of runny texture.
Yes,
said.
you want a runny texture because that gives you a really nice moist chocolate cake.
Nice, yeah. Yeah. I want to lick the bowl.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
And then we put it in our oven that we preset. We're gonna put this in here for 30 minutes on 350.
Right.
And
then you get this in front of
And then we get this. So what I did is I just made a square cake and then cut it into, rough pieces because I find it looks nice and rustic and authentic.
Right. And what's,
And then
what
now,
because I'm looking at this guy here.
yeah.
That looks pretty. What do you want me to do with this? I can't get it looking like that, Ashley.
You can do anything you want. So here's some chocolate frosting.
I like your confidence in it.
We have chocolate frosting. I have some salted caramel that I made, as well as some chocolate drizzle. We have sprinkles, and of course, walnuts on top. Oh, that looks good. I don't know why you're so apprehensive about decorating. You do a good job.
Ashley has testament. Ashley has testament. Some caramel. We could work some caramel here.
Yeah. There you go. Oh my, precision. And of course, let's top it off with some walnuts.
We have some Regal walnuts there.
Look at that. You see, that looks really good.
Actually, I'm not finished.
Oh, you're not
Yeah,
done?
I'm not finished.
Excuse me. Oh my. I'll be be quiet and let the
I'm not
artist
finished.
rip.
What is this actually?
So we have some gold sprinkles and chocolate sprinkles, and then we also have some gold flakes.
Right. So what the idea here is really just very arbitrarily. You just,
Yeah.
you know,
It doesn't have to be like exact
Yeah,
and
no,
precise,
so, yeah.
just whatever you're feeling in the moment.
Actually, I do
There
like how
you
you're
go.
crazy. Yeah, it's just arbitrary.
That looks
yeah,
good.
yeah. Art is something that kind of just flows naturally
It
with
does.
me. Yeah.
It just flows right
I
up.
think this can go right next to
Oh,
yours.
you want to
yeah.
put it? Let's
No.
put one. Come on, let's put one here.
Actually, but I really want to try it though.
Oh,
Can
well,
you
have
reach me
a
fork?
bite.
Can you reach me a
Sure.
fork? So this is a perfect sweet ending. Ashley showed us how easy it is to pull together this cake, and it's a chocolate chip walnut cake.
Yes.
Wow, doesn't get better than that.
You like it?
Moist. Oh my goodness, it's very moist. Oh, the moistness would come from the how thin the batter was.
Yes.
And this is all in one bowl.
It's really quick. You know, if you just want to make yourself a little treat, go ahead.
Guys, this is a recipe to roll out. Thank you very much. Ashley
You're
Lewis of
welcome.
Ashley L Designs. You going well? Keeping well?
Yeah.
Keeping well. Tough times, but we in this together.
Yeah. We'll all
in this
make it through.
Yeah.
I think we're doing okay.
Yeah. Guys, check our recipe recap and try these recipes at home, sweet home. Sweet Endings comes to you courtesy Regal Products.